Bounty Killer seems to be getting some backlash because him there on stage I wind up
Rasta
himself.
transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world.
TV, no.
I
I
love
love
me
you,
boys and
Deep
girls.
Roots TV.
Yeah. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
Greetings and salutations. Yeah, to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, me want you to send this to all of the hardcore Jamaicans. Me can't believe me can't believe me eye. Me can't believe me eye. It appears not to be real, but I see it in the newspaper and me I read it just like how them say it is. Look pan Bounty, baby killer like I like to call him. Look, he seemed to be facing backlash after a funny dance move on stage. No, Bounty. Veteran dancehall DJ Bounty Killer, the artist, found himself in the center of a controversial performance after him put his hand on his knee and look like him a back it up and a shake it and look like him a twerk. Some boy round at the side disappear quickly. The incident has sparked widespread backlash and that them put it in the newspaper. Me no inna that. Me no inna no backlash from fans as they call out the poor people government for his dance. During a live performance, Bounty Killer performing a dance move that made viewers found outrageously funny. In the video, Bounty Killer can see arching his back with his head on his knees. Talk to me, people. Wow. What am I do? No, Bounty. No. Why? Like my brethren Val would and say, why? Listen, the people them say he arch him back. Him put his hand on his knees, which is considered a female dance move in Jamaican culture. Also, male that were on stage a few feet away to the side. We now say behind Bounty Killer. To the side. Cause no boy can't up on the stage behind no man. You're mad. Man a Jamaican. They quickly moved as he saw the DJ's body position. Me ratted. Listen. Man, I this in general, you know. Coming on it, you know. People, Bounty rise a yard again. And I do another show. The people, them are going like, say them want clown the warlord, the ground Godzilla, the bound baby killer. The rampant Rodney Price. It not nice. Listen, me want you look on the video though, and make me know. Look on the man. The man in yo, big man of wear shorts, you know. I don't like that. Me no want to see no man legs. Me not even like to see boy toe. Hey, listen, people, straighten up your argument. Fix up your thing, Bounty Killer. Me don't like that dress code there. And me don't like them dance move there. Man a gorilla, man a maca tree. Don't run. Don't play with me. You going to man a Jamaican. Don't ramp around. Alright. We are gonna look on the dance move just another moment. I want you to tell me. Cause these dance moves don't look right. I'm gonna make you hear all the audio upon it, cause the people them didn't like it. The people them didn't like it. No, they did not. No, they did not like it. Neither did I. You hear me, people? Neither did I. Me not in it, me I tell you no. What I do? What am I do?
Someone tell me why Bounty's really
Where you are do? Where?
Someone tell me why Bounty's really
Where you are do? No, we not in that thing in the family. Alright, me want you to bring you to the side there, sir. In the blue. Lena, the man chief. Don't bother with it. Don't bother with it.
Someone tell me why
You know you just get back to visa in about it. You know you just get a visa in about it. You just rise a visa in about it. Nobody, no, I have to go pick up already, brother. No. One trip by England. One trip by England. One little trip by England. Hey, yo,
someone tell me why bounties should not be
No, that's not in the right. No.
Someone tell me why bounties should
No. Why? No. It not gonna work. 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 No. We don't dance like that. Man don't dance like that, Ground Gazelle. Let me tell you, don't rump anything.
I don't know in a deep road, Stevie, in a big up and a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari, give thanks.
No!